Alright guys, first cold start in the R8 in Tennessee, bro. I can't believe I shipped my car here. I felt kind of bad because like all these cabins, it's so quiet and peaceful. Look how loud this thing is. Oh my god. What's up guys? We're watching another video. We have made it to Tennessee. If you guys saw the last video, we made it. We got here. The car got here safely. It just feels so crazy to have my car all the way across the freaking country. We are very far from home, but I'm glad the car made it. I'm glad I brought the R8. But yeah, we are here in Tennessee for GAT. There's a lot of people outside. I mean, the roads look literally like a Forza lobby, bro. We were out last night and there's cars everywhere. Every parking lot you find on the left or right, there's literally a car meet happening. So many freaking cars. Today, I think there's like a supercar meet, which is kind of cool because honestly, not that many supercars pull up to this event. It's a lot of just slammed, cambered, Mustangs, Corvettes, a lot of JDM. But today, I guess it's gonna be like a little supercar meet. So that should be cool. We're gonna pull up there and then we'll see what else we get into. There's a lot of stuff to do here, bro. And I feel like not enough time to do it all. It does not look like Los Angeles anymore, bro. We are very far from home. Damn, Porsche? Bro, it's literally a Forza lobby. I've been saying that this whole time, but it's crazy. Man, that Porsche is nice though. It has a cage in it. I know it sounds crazy to some people, but we don't have this, bro, back in LA. Like, it doesn't look like this. I always trip out when I go to new places.
Yeah, I think the West Coast and the East Coast look completely different.
Yeah, completely different.
Awesome.
Wow. Oh, look, there's a cow.
There's a bunch of them.
Look at this road, though. Literally a freaking video game, bro. Oh my god. I'm glad I brought this car. I almost brought the F80, but dude, you guys don't understand. Like, this is literally my dream car, bro. And I'm taking it everywhere. I'm gonna take it to Miami this year too.
This year?
Oh, next year, huh? When is Miami Beamer Invasion?
Next year.
Look at this, bro. Like,
you guys, we just saw a vulture.
Yeah, we saw a crazy ass bird.
A real life vulture in the middle of the street.
I gotta find a bear. Supposedly there's bears up here everywhere. But yeah, look at this. Whoa.
This is like my ultimate. I just would love to live here, have a big house, the dogs.
She wants to live in the middle of nowhere, guys.
Do my makeup videos, just like with a huge house. But Nick is like, I mean, I like the city too. I'm an LA girl, but I love this.
I like visiting, but I can't see myself living here. Like, we're in the middle of nowhere. It's cool though, don't get me wrong. To drive around here.
Yeah, but
like
Nashville.
After like a month, I'd be bored.
No, but Nashville is a huge city here.
I gotta be in LA or like Miami or something.
You guys, I also love country music. Nick probably hasn't told you, but I am like a country girl. So like this just makes me so look how beautiful.
Some of these houses are crazy to watch. Damn, look at their backyard
Like,
though.
are you kidding me?
That's their front yard.
Kidding.
And that's their backyard. Look at their view.
Dude.
Holy crap. Alright, that is kind of crazy. All right here, look perfect. R8, G80, F80.
Big house.
We need one more garage. 2 more garages. What do you guys think? Should we move out here? Would you guys still watch my vlogs?
Yes.
Is there even car meets though after GAT? I doubt it. Alright, I found my house, guys. Look, we can go in the woods for Josephine.
Go in the woods.
And look, I have 1, 2, there's 2 car garages over there. And over here you got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Literally.
That's 6 cars.
This is a beautifully made house.
Yeah, that's goals. I like how there's like a private garage over here.
Yeah, and you can like do all your stuff in there. What?
A bug flew in.
I know there's bugs everywhere.
Oh, hell no. Oh, look at the window.
Oh!
Hell
On the
no.
inside?
I don't.
It's on the inside?
I don't know.
Oh no.
Hell no. What is this, bro? You see it? Stop. I'm not messing with these bugs over here. All right, we made it, guys. We made it to the supercar meet, I guess. This fool's gonna get us all kicked out, bro.
Huh.
Why is he rapping it so much?
Welcome to the house.
Chazzy dog! We're really all out here from freaking LA. Damn, look at the Aventador. Ferrari. So I wasn't the only one bringing a supercar to GAT.
That purple.
That's the purple you wanted me to do, huh? Yeah, that purple is pretty crazy. It's bright. Oh my gosh, someone brought an SBJ. No way, what up, bro? Oh.
One day.
I'm selling all my cars.
Very soon. Oh.
as I get home.
Yep. I believe it.
Sound like Josephine too. Porsches, McLarens, Ruby Star McLaren. This is where you guys are staying?
Yeah.
That was a sick ass Airbnb. I'm down. The view looks insane, bro.
It's nice. It's nice.
There is another R8. No way. This is clean. Wide body with BBS's. But look at that. How you got chrome TEs. Yo, he did like an 18-inch, I think, on it. No way those fit. I might have to do that, bro. And it's freaking twin turbo. He's all over me. He's all over me. I was trying to twin turbo mine before this, but I couldn't do it in time. But we are gonna twin turbo as soon as we get back. Yo, that is hard. But you know I'm doing it when I get back. I'm gonna twin turbo mine, yeah. It's gonna be sick, dude. I will, bro. I gotta rock it with no bumper like that too.
Oh yeah.
Look at the lineup. Finally we get to see some supercars out here. I feel like these are the only ones in the whole city right now. What up?
What up?
You made it with the Trackhawk.
What you think about the new wrap? We
I like the plate, bro. I know, it literally matches my G80. This shit's hard. You know what we need to do? Put my G80 on a trailer, towing it, bro.
Come
Both
on.
tan black.
Let's do it.
That would be fire.
I'll bring it to
Wow, bro, that is nice. With the ED8s, the roll cage. Yo, that shit's clean. We moved the R8 to the driveway now. This is like goals, dude. Like squad goals.
Thanks for stopping by the crib.
I know, I had to stop by real quick, but I'm gonna go cruise the little strip for a little bit.
I'll catch you probably
Tonight?
in like a couple hours.
All right. Yo, I didn't show it, but I think that thing's turboed. No way they turboed a GT3. Bro, how does he drive like that? Shit is crazy. Yeah, we got Tay, we got Chris. This is sick. Oh, he's gonna shoot flames, watch. Oh, you see the flames?
Oh.
Even in the daylight.
I feel like I felt the heat.
I can feel the heat too. Bro, I literally felt the heat inside my car. How's that even possible? Scraping on everything. Oh! Bro, that poor G8. That shit looks sick. It looks sick. I know a lot of people aren't gonna be fans of it, but I think it's hard. Also, the gas is hella cheap here. We gotta do a video and see how much it costs. Oh look, the light just came on. Please refuel. I gotta see how much it costs to fill this thing up here, because back at home it's like $110. Over here, I bet you'll be like 80 maybe, maybe less.
Melted. It
Mountain.
looks like it's melted. Like it's like melted.
Yo, look at that shit. Look like it's hovering, bro. Yo, imagine I did it to the R8. Oh
So loud.
bro, Ruby Star E92. I was literally just talking about doing that color. Oh, now we could kind of see how my E92 would look if it was Ruby Star.
Hey, I'm shy as shit, bro.
What up, bro? What up, bro? How are you?
Thank you for like
Really?
6 years, bro.
I appreciate that.
I love that.
Thank you guys. There's really nothing like this. Like where you could just drive around the city and there's just cars at every way you point the camera, bro, you'll find something. What the heck is that? That's a Corvette, I think. Oh, Chris is wilding out. He gotta chill, bro.
Bro, that is too loud.
I know.
Oh my god.
This is the gas station that we were at last night. It's one of the most popular spots here in Gat. Everybody comes at night, but it looks like they're shutting it down. Like, look, they're putting barricades around it before the night even begins. So I have a feeling that they're gonna shut it down completely. They're not letting no one in there tonight. Watch.
Yeah, they're not gonna take that down.
Just like Car Week, TikTok made Car Week way too popular. I think TikTok made Gat way too popular. It's not even Friday yet. tomorrow's Friday is gonna be even crazier. I'm gonna fill up the car with gas. Let's see how much it costs. Again, you guys know what I mean. Back home, it's like $110 to fill up the RA, which is ridiculous. I know, bro. But let's see about here. Right here is $3. So this compared to like 5 something, sometimes 6 at home, bro, LA is ridiculous. Let's see how much it costs. Nah, bro, $65 to fill up. Bro, that's crazy. It's literally almost half the price. We gotta move out of LA, or they gotta do something about the gas prices. We only have 91 there. This might be the first time this car's ever been on 93. Chris found his old BRZ, bro, the car that he gave away recently on his YouTube channel. That's crazy. That must be so weird seeing your old car. Do you sad?
It still feels like my car.
I know, it looks like your car
I feel
still.
like one of the homies are driving it.
I know. Definitely looks like it's your car still, bro. The guy hasn't changed anything. I mean, what would you even change? This thing's perfect.
I want it.
What'd you buy, the shirt?
2 shirts, bro.
Damn, 2 shirts got him the car, bro.
$100.
Yo, that's insane, dude. $100 car right here.
Hey, it's a better investment than the stock market.
I know. Yeah, I want to give away a car on my channel, guys. But what car do we give away? How crazy that you can win one of my cars buying 2 t-shirts or 1 t-shirt. This guy bought 2 shirts and he won this. I want to win this car. I should have answered. Imagine I won Chris's car. Nah, everyone would think it's rigged. Hey, at least he's taking care of it though, because a lot of the cars that I sold, they just clap them out, bro. What? That's ridiculous or what? But this might be the craziest one. Oh my god. I don't know. I literally don't know how he drives it like that. That has to be one of the craziest ones I've seen though. Honestly, I feel like this vlog has been all over the place. I don't even know what I filmed today, but hopefully you guys are enjoying this vlog. There's a lot going on, a lot of people too. I'm trying to meet up with everybody, trying to kick it with everybody. It's just a lot, dude. Like, it's kind of overwhelming. Dude, there's no way Chris's car is shooting flames like that. You really could feel the heat on. Yeah, there's no way. Man, that shit's on fire, bro. That's ridiculous. Bro. Nah, dude. He has to chip. That's just literally gonna catch on fire. Chris told me that we could probably install that on the RA, but that's just gonna catch my car on fire. Oh, we got the intakes. Sick. Dude, there's so many of these like little roller coasters. We gotta go on one. Chris said it's super funny, bro. You go to like a roller coaster through the mountain. Guys, it's getting way crazier than yesterday. It's hella cops. Look at how many cops are going. And I can tell people are starting to drive way crazier too than yesterday. Everyone was cruising yesterday. Now people are going a little crazy. This is the main road once again. What up, bro? Dude, I feel like every other person knows who I am.
It's actually really
It's crazy, bro. I was not I was not expecting that many people to recognize me out here. Wide body M4.
What up, vlog?
What up? Oh, he got the merch.
FindingNick.com, bro. Buy it.
Hey, you got the merch, bro. I appreciate you. And look who else is here. Tell me if you guys recognize it. Oh, he's right there. There he is. What's up? Mr. Shape Shit. He brought the big old truck out. But he's in the Porsche. What's up? What are you guys doing?
Just getting rollers of the Raptor.
Bro, the Raptor looks sick, bro.
Thank you, man.
He got all the camber on it
Yeah.
to match everybody.
What are you doing?
I don't know, I'm just cruising. Yeah, Shape Shit's in the GT3, but he got his Raptor that he just bought back in LA. I think I showed it in the vlog, I think. But this truck is freaking gold, dude. I want a truck so bad. And I would build it exactly like that too. What do you think?
it's huge.
I need that. Like that's
feel.
the perfect truck. I've always wanted a truck. Yeah, people are getting a little rowdy, bro. Look at my boy's taillights. There's no way. You saw it? It's like little like sound bars. Look, if I would have run my G80, I wouldn't be the only one on a drag pack. What up, bro? I like the wheel setup. You're the only one here with slicks, probably.
I know for it, yeah. I
that
drove like
shit's
this.
crazy.
Wisconsin, bro.
Really?
I've been watching you since you got that 92.
That's fire. Appreciate you, bro. That's hard. shit for sure fast. All right, we have found the other gas station. This is the new gas station, I guess. The new spot. Can you guys just see how many people are here? It's ridiculous. Oh, I hear a V10. Is that a Lambo? What's the R8? They got like a drift car here. 2 of them. They are. You can see the little hydro. Some real Japan shit right here. Okay. It's the supercar squad from earlier. The G-Wagon, the Huracans. This is a different one. I think earlier we saw the one with silver wheels on. So there's a lot of R8s here. Not a lot, but like 5 maybe that I've seen. You think mine's the best for real, for real? You think so?
I really think so.
The twin turbo one's kind of sick. No way someone pulled up in this. Hey, low key, it's kind of slammed. That would be fun to drive. Oh my God, it's an Aventador. SVJ.
I believe that we're so nice together.
I know, honestly, British Racing Green, and then my blue. They're both Porsche colors. Porsche color, by the way. Anyways, I think I'm gonna call it a night, guys. I'm exhausted. Honestly, I was up till 5 a.m. last night editing the last video if you guys watched it. I have not slept, honestly. I feel like all these like trips that we go on, I don't sleep because I'm filming all day and then I'm editing all night. What time is it?
11:30.
11:30 and start editing this vlog. Also, look, Sam texted me. Inshallah. He's literally putting the cam in the car right as we speak. So I can't wait, dude. I can't wait to get back home and have the Corvette cam, dude. Anyways, I'm gonna call it a night. Tomorrow will be another long day. And we still got, tomorrow's Friday?
Friday, yeah.
Oh my God, we got Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
It's still all day Monday.
There's too much content, bro. Like, there's too much to film. Look at this. It's kind of hard to film. Just a lot of the same thing over and over. I hope it's not boring. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you guys did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.